Hi, Jenny here! Today we are going to make some chocolate peanut butter chip cookies. Let's get started! For this recipe we are going to need 1 cup of butter, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 cups of flour, 2/3 cup of some cocoa powder, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 bag of peanut butter chips. We will first mix together our dry ingredients and then set them aside. So we needed the 2 cups of flour, 2/3 cup of cocoa, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we will beat together our butter, sugar, eggs, and vanilla. And then when that's all well mixed together, we'll slowly add our flour mixture. Now that the batter is mixed, we will hand mix in our chips and then drop them by teaspoonfuls onto our cookie sheet. Also, you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Once the oven is preheated, we will now bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. We will let the cookies cool on the sheet for a couple minutes and then we will remove them to the cooling racks. The chocolate peanut butter chip cookies are done. I will leave the recipe for this down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you like to eat chocolate and peanut butter together. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to enjoy my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Let that chocolate and then the peanut butter hit. Oh, that's good stuff.